Good morning, dear learner. Welcome to science class. Today, I am going to start Unit 2, Chapter 7 with the living and non-living. Now, when we look around, we find a wide variety of things like human beings, trees, cars, stones, birds, insects, clothes, paper, and pencils, etc. Human beings, trees, birds, and insects are living things. Cars, stone, clothes, paper, pencils, as you already know, these are non-living things. Both living and non-living things are made up of matter. You already know, you have already studied this about in grade 5. We know that anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. So all living and non-living things have mass and they occupy space. All living things look different from one another, but they possess some common characteristics which differentiate them from the non-living things. Let us learn about the characteristics of living things which distinguish them from the non-living things. Characteristics of living things. How will you identify that given thing is a living or non-living? On non-living things, all living things are made up of cells. Each one knows a building is made up of bricks. जैसे एक building bricks से बनी होती है, so a brick is the unit of construction. In the same way, all living things are made up of tiny cells. So cell is the structural and functional unit of all living things. Some plants and animals consist of a single cell. They are called unicellular organisms. Now, unicellular organisms क्या होते हैं? Amoeba, paramecium, bacteria, these all are some common examples of unicellular organisms. The organisms having only one cell, जिनकी body single cell की बनी है, उनको हम unicellular organisms बोलते हैं. Unicellular organisms are extremely small and not are visible to the naked eyes. उनको हम naked eyes से नहीं देख सकते. They only can be visible with the microscope. They can only be seen with the help of a microscope and thus are called microscopic organisms. Most of the plants and animals we see around us are made up of millions of cells. They are called multicellular organisms. In multicellular organisms, the cells are not alike. Cells are of different sizes, shapes, and they perform different functions. This following activity we will do when the school reopens. Now, structural organization is found in living things. The cell in multicellular organisms are organized into specialized groups which perform specific functions. A group of similar cells that perform a particular function is called a tissue. Different groups of tissues together perform a function. A group of tissues which work together to perform a particular function in the body is called an organ. Heart, lungs, eyes are some organs of our body. These are made up of different tissues. Now, a group of organs which perform a particular function in coordination with each other is called an organ system. For example, organs like mouth, stomach, esophagus, liver, intestine together form an organ system called the digestive system. Digestive system सबको पता है. Living things move. Now, living things move. All living things show movement. Animals move from one place to another in search of food and shelter and also to escape from their enemies. This movement is called locomotion. Do we think that non-living things move? No. Animals like lions, giraffes, zebras and dogs move with the help of their legs. Animals like birds, flies and mosquitoes have wings to fly. Fish swim with the help of their fins. Now, plants are fixed to the ground. They do not move from one place to another. किसी ने plants को move करते हुए देखा है? Plants can only move their certain body parts like leaf, The sunflower always turns toward the sun. Touch me not plant. Yes, touch me not plant closes its leaves on touching. जब भी हम touch me not plant को touch करते हैं उसकी leaves close हो जाती हैं. So we can say that plants are also moving. Some non-living things like clocks, clouds and cars also move. Their movement is different from movement in living things. कैसे? लिविंग थिंग्स का मूवमेंट ऑलवेज इंटरनल होता है और नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स का मूवमेंट ऑलवेज एक्सटर्नल होता है. आउटर फोर्स एक्सटर्नल फोर्स से वो चलते हैं, मूव करते हैं, लेकिन लिविंग थिंग्स इंटरनली मूव करते हैं, इंटरनल फोर्स से मूव करते हैं एज दे मूव ड्यू टू सम एक्सटर्नल एनर्जी और फोर्स. लिविंग थिंग्स नीड फूड. कैन बी लिव विदाउट फूड? कैन बी लिव? कैन एनीवन लिव विदाउट फूड? बोलिए. नो, we cannot live without food. We need energy to perform various activities like running, reading and writing. We get this energy from the food we eat. Food is also required for growth and repair processes. All green plants prepare their own food by taking in carbon dioxide, water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll by the process of photosynthesis. So green plants are called autotrophs. Why green plants are called autotrophs? Because they prepare their own food. All animals get their food from plants and other animals. They are called heterotrophs. So animals are called heterotrophs because they take their food from plants and other animals. Animals like cows, deers, rabbits and birds eat only parts of plants such as leaves, stems, roots, fruits and seeds. Animals like lions, tigers and leopards kill and eat small animals. Now, some MCQs here. A group of similar cells that perform a particular function is called, what will be the answer? Tissue. This answer will be answer number 8, tissue. Which of the following is not a unicellular organisms? Amoeba, bacteria, paramecium, earthworm. Answer will be the earthworm. Which of the following is an autotroph? Neem, rabbit, lion, fungi. So which one is the autotroph? Neem, because it prepares its own food. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Cell is the structural unit of living things. Yes, correct. Living and non-living things are made up of cells. क्या non-living things भी cells के बने होते हैं? No. So this one is incorrect. Living and non-living things are made up of matter. Yes, of course. Similar cells combine together to form tissues. Yes, of course. Now, animals move to search their food, to search for shelter, to escape from enemies, and all of these. I think the answer should be all of these. Although I am discussing these answers with you, but I will provide these answers in the PDF. Thank you. Have a nice day. If you have any query, you can ask me, you can call me anytime. Thank you.